This old man, he played one. He played knick-knack on my thumb. With a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. So you just go through the numbers. You don't have to rhyme with the number. You can play two, knick-knack on my shoulder, whatever sort of thing you're working on. You can have objects from the classroom and do knick-knack on the objects. The fists with a switch is a pretty advanced maneuver for the little ones. So you can also change it to just knocking your hands together or tapping on things. The Raffi version of the song has someone playing on different instruments, and then you can even do like the number of taps can be associated with the number. That's definitely for much older kids. The little ones won't really get that. But if you keep the same sort of pattern and just go up to five for the little ones, you can get them going along with it and at least trying to get their hands going. So that's a fun one. It's just a very old folk song that um, I don't think anyone knows what we're playing knick-knack, what that means. So have fun.